Everybody talks about October being the evil month for corrections, but actually, if you want to pay attention to history, you'd note that July and August are probably more important. The high in 1987, August 25th. The lower high was October 2nd. Okay, we did get a huge sell-off in October. That was the crash, but the time to sell was probably back here in August. So, go figure. I mean, people want to blame the month of October, and I get it, because that's when all the evil stuff happens. But let's just scroll forward in time and see what we can find out. Here we go. July 16th, 1990. You can see that was a pretty evil date. You got a pretty significant sell-off after that one. But again, it was July, not October. Scrolling forward, we're just scrolling forward in time. What do we come up with next? Okay, here we go. July 20th, 1998. Yeah, my money's on July so far. July looks more evil than October. Look at that. That was a pretty... I remember when that happened. I had some cycles on that date. Anyway, this was a pretty nasty sell-off. Here we go, July 19th, 1999. Pretty evil sell-off. Again, July is more evil than October. Here we go. March, in this case, March of 2000 was the actual top. You did sell off quite a bit, but July again was an important lower high. And then September 1st. So again, none of these dates are October. So you should pay attention for tops in July, August, September, not October. Because if you're going to have a major cycle top, I think it's probably going to come more likely in July or August, less so in October. Now, it's not always the case. If you look at this chart, you can see that July 17th was the momentum peak. You got a pretty nasty sell-off, but you rallied back into October before you really crashed. So in this one case, yeah, October was the peak. But in most cases, July is a better target for a peak. So I like it. It's kind of interesting. People's perceptions of history are colored by the actual wave of selling. And it is true that if you're going to get a massive wave of selling, it's probably going to come in October. But, what do we got here? October, right. 2018, October 3rd. And here we got September. So, you're probably better off getting out of the market in September, but the real selling happened in October. So there is some justification for the idea that October is an evil month, but, smart money probably gets out well before the event. And in this case, I think July is an evil month here in 2021. So February 2020, interesting. I had some Gann cycles that called this top. People won't believe it now, but whatever. It's interesting. Other months do not get the bad rap of October. So September 2nd, 2020, last year, that was kind of an evil time. I think late August, early September, you got to pay attention. You also have to pay attention late July. And, tops can come at any time, but here we are. Let's scroll forward to the current date. We've got July 29th, and here we are, Amazon selling off on good news, right. That's always what you like to see. You like to see the market sell off in good news. Oh, maybe not. It's usually a sign of a top when a company reports positive earnings and still they sell off 6%. Does that make sense? That's a warning. It's telling you something is not quite right in the markets. If you get more and more stocks selling off on good news, you should take that as a warning. And if you'd like to see the full report on the S&P, send me an email to jamessmith@gannanalysis.net, and I'll send you a free report. I just want you to see what time of day it is. There's a lot more to show you. This is just a sample, and I have over 30 charts on the S&P. I think you'll find them interesting. So send me an email, ask for that in the header, type in free report on S&P, and I'll send you the report. Good luck in your trading. Hope this has been helpful.